FTU Idioteque is a MT4 arrow indicator. It'll show you perhaps a trend change or continuation. Now, some of the inputs. The arrow offset will move the arrow further away from the bar in case you're looking to do that because another indicator may be present, or in some cases the arrow is far away. 1,000 bars, you could change this for the history in case you're using many charts. This can slow down CPU if you've got a lot of indicators attached, so we'll set this to 4,000. And you can change the colors and the widths of the arrows. You can see how the arrows came further away because I changed the arrow offset. So for those installing for the first time, it'll be in your marketplace up in the top, your market folder. Just simply drag and drop. Now this indicator doesn't change trend very quickly, as you can see here, stays in a cell. So it's a slow changing indicator. You can see it stays in buys. So good to use it along with another indicator, perhaps something. Let's test something else. For example, this one. So you can see if you've got a slower indicator, you could use the others for entries. So this one's saying sell, so you can sell here, perhaps get first target here. I wouldn't keep selling at every one, so if you manage to get first target, then move your stop loss somewhere here and don't enter on every one. But if you're taken out, so if your first entry was here and take profit was there, first trade, stop loss here, don't sell again because of that one, wait for another one. And here's a buy, so here's an entry here, and didn't say it wouldn't make any losses, but the arrow stays up, so you could either add again as it comes down and then close out. Here's a buy, arrow change, here's a buy, first target, 20 points. This is likely news. So yeah, suggestion is just to combine it with something else and do some testing. And alongside with the arrow, we also provide a monthly insight once you join our MQL channel. So you can download the app on your phone. It'll also be up in your chat area in the top right here. The channel is Astro Daily Basic, and we'll have the Pro, where we'll provide daily for many products: Bitcoin, natural gas, oil, everything. It's a daily bias, so if we have a look at some of the days we've done recently. So last week on the indices we had slide up, slide down. It shows you what happens here. So if we go look at, we're on NASDAQ here, 27th, we said slide up, slide down, up, slide down. So you'd be looking for sells only on this day. Slide up, this one worked. 1st of March we had up. So you can get some up movement at some point. And then we had 2 up days on the 2nd and the 3rd. So looking for buys somewhere, not necessarily with this indicator, but with something else. So if you could catch a buy here and get 40 points and move your stop loss down, or here 40 points or 20 even, move your stop loss down here. I'm not one for moving to break even because markets can be choppy. So if you get 30, 20, put your stop loss down here, risk what you made. And you can see, then you can get a good run. So how would you know that these days would go up? Well, that's Astro Finance, and our source is going to provide this weekly. We also will provide a monthly where you can see turning dates. So we'll provide a potential high or low. So we can see the euro was the 7th, NASDAQ the 6th. So there's 6th of March for NASDAQ, and you could be looking for a high on this day, or just during this day look for a setup, and you can see the price has fallen since the 6th. We'll get more into that in the channel. So that's the product, and what we'll also provide for that in the rental, we provide the daily high low and various other services. Okay, thanks for watching.